Welcome to TekGenio, your end-to-end ERP implementation specialist. At TekGenio, we are dedicated to global ERP implementation, offering services to businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. Our comprehensive range includes consultancy, customization, integration, and continuous support in Odoo ERP. With a proven track record in diverse industries such as manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, e-commerce, supply chain, hotel management, and e-learning, we are excited to present our innovative Odoo Apps. In our first offering, the TekGenio Odoo Multiple Image Uploader, we address the need for efficient product image uploading in Odoo. By connecting seamlessly with Odoo through your credentials, this app allows you to upload multiple product images with just one click, streamlining the process and enhancing efficiency. Our second efficient app, the TekGenio Odoo Image Uploader using USB camera, caters to market requirements for direct picture capture and upload to Odoo. By entering your Odoo credentials, you can use your USB camera to capture images, choosing between the main image or extra image, and swiftly uploading raw product pictures to Odoo. Next app is the TekGenio Reverb Odoo Connector, focusing on sale orders and product catalogs from Reverb to Odoo. With 4 key business operations including fetching and synchronization product details, importing orders, and synchronization order details, this app currently operates unidirectionally with plans for a bidirectional connector in the future. Finally, our vendor evaluation app provides a formal review of suppliers based on various criteria. Using a wizard, you can evaluate vendors before creating sale orders, track vendor history, and generate appreciation reports in PDF format to foster long-term relationships. Feel free to reach out to us at info@tekgenio.com for more information. Thank you for considering TekGenio, where innovation meets efficiency.